Welcome to the science of synergy, going beyond simple supplements, a combination of natural nutrition and cutting-edge technology to boost cellular wellness. Offering a dynamic blend of essential nutrients, minerals, and amino acids specifically formulated to support healthy stem cell activity, aid the health and vitality of human cells, and support your overall health and wellness. Specially formulated to work synergistically with LifeWave's patented patch technology. Cellergize Morning. Start strong. Power on. Be the light. LifeWave.